All, welcome to pre-market momentum by market momentum. We'll see what has happened in the market today and what are the levels that we have to observe for tomorrow. Okay, we'll jump into the charts and we'll see what has happened in charts. Okay, when it comes to the Nifty has opened strongly at 24,251 levels and moved higher to 24,492 levels. But it was closed at 24,339. It was unable to sustain at a higher point of the day, but it closed at 24,339. So overall the day, in the morning session, market moved higher, but in the later afternoon session, so due to FII selling, so even today, FII sold almost 3,228 crores. So if you see today, 3,228 crores was sold by FIIs, whereas DIIs bought 1,400 crores. DIIs were trying to support the market, but it is not enough. FIIs are selling higher. So markets are moving lower, so with a bearish trend, but today market moved a little bit higher and most of our portfolios, individual retailer portfolios were end in green. So that is one good positive thing today. So let us see what has happened in the market and what are the levels that we can observe. So today market faced resistance at 100 EMA. So that is a 24,490 levels, approximately 24,500 levels. So until and unless market closed above 24,500, we cannot look for the long trades. So until it closes above 24,500 and above decisively, so we can go for the sell and rise trend. But if market is trading positively whole today and the rest of the world, global markets, even Dow Jones also closed green and Nasdaq is slightly positive, whereas crude oil prices have dropped almost 5%, so unsettled at $71.5 or $72 last night. So hence we can take some positive trend. At least if it closes above 24,500 levels decisively at least 1 hour candle, we can go for the little start selling the lower puts. So lower than 24,000 levels, 24,000 and below puts, we can start selling. So when it comes to the Bank Nifty also closed above 100-day moving average. 100-day moving average is 51,105. So which is a little bit lower. Today Bank Nifty closed at 51,260 levels. Hence, we can say it as a little positive trend, but not decisive positive trend. But it is, at least we can observe, it is outperformed Nifty. So 200 moving average is 200 DMA is 49,600. So hence it is too far away from 200-day moving average. So hence we can take some long trades here in the Bank Nifty. So one can start selling 49,700 and below puts with the strict stop loss of 30%. Okay, thank you. So like the video if you like. Please do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you all. Thanks for watching. Thank you.